What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony and I am back at you again with another video. I am going to answer a question that I am getting on a daily basis is, I have my Hoplink with Clickbank. What do I do next? Okay, so you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to show you what exactly to do and not to do as soon as you get your Hoplink. Okay, so I'm assuming that you have already chosen the product that you are going to promote. You have already got your Hoplink, you're all set up and you're ready to go. So here's the number one thing that you cannot do, and that is just trying to set up a Facebook ad or just throwing out your Hoplink inside of your timeline on Facebook or making a post and saying, hey guys, go ahead and check this out, okay? Nobody's gonna buy from you, okay? Maybe if it was 10 years ago, the story would be a little bit different, but what you have to do now is build up some relationships. For one thing, you need to get a URL shortener, whether that be with Bitly, whether that be your own domain forwarding over to your Hoplink. And as soon as you have that Hoplink, that doesn't just mean that your business is ready to go, okay? What you need to do is build up an email list. The money is in the list. So the money is going to be inside of your audience, and that's whether that be an Instagram audience, whether that be a Facebook audience, whether that be your YouTube subscribers or viewers on YouTube, whether that be you're running pay-per-click traffic, and you're sending them over to a landing page where you're giving them something out for free and then collecting their email in the end, but you're not just blatantly throwing your link in their face, okay? So as soon as you have your Hoplink, you do not, I repeat, you do not want to go just start throwing that link out. What you want to do, set up a blog. Cost you $50, $60 through WordPress to get you all set up. I would buy a domain that is related to that topic niche that you are promoting. I would start writing articles, I would start making videos, I would start posting those onto your blog, and inside your blog, creating links that are going to forward over to the sales. Step 2, I would definitely set up a sales funnel. Now, if you're not familiar with the sales funnel, what that is it's basically a landing page or a lead magnet page where you're going to send your traffic to your lead magnet page, you're going to give them something for free, they're going to give you their email address, and then you're going to continue to follow up with these people via an autoresponder or something of that nature and sell them later on down the road, okay? The sale does not come on the first time that you talk to somebody. Maybe after the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth time, after you've spoken with these people, you've helped these people, you've built a relationship with them, that's when the sales start to come in. That's how you create passive income. If you are looking to set up a legit and real sales funnel, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down to my ClickFunnels affiliate link. They're going to give you 14 days for free. You can get in there and set up as many landing pages as you want, set up your autoresponders, start to build some relationships with people. I'll go ahead and leave that link down below. If you're also looking for just more information on internet marketing, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, and you don't know where to start, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link to my Internet Marketing Profits book. That's also going to be down in the description. If this is your first time to my channel, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, click the little bell icon. I will see you guys on the next video.